So when you're eating Sunday dinner, have you ever thought of the numerous products that have gone into what you're eating or even how it is grown? Does genetically modified organism resonate with you? Currently in the United States, 94% of soy, 90% of cotton, and 90% of canola are genetically modified and grown in the United States. And that's just to name a few. Tom Parrott, he wrote an article in Newsweek in 2015, and he states the following. He said the United States and the United Nations experts say global food production must double by 2050, at which point the world population is expected to have grown from 7 billion today to well beyond 9 billion. Genetically modified organisms have been changed and added to genes from other organisms. When adding to the existing makeup of another gene to an existing one, the original organism creates new characteristics. The outcome of gene splitting, is what they refer to it as, can result in crops that are disease resistant. In 2016, WebMD published an article written by Siegel and Veretti. And in that article it states that in that 2015 survey by Pew Research Center, it showed that 9 out of 10 scientists from the American Association for the Advancement of Science say that GMOs are generally they're safe to eat. Although we know this to be true, our nation is divided. Could we save the children of the world? Could we end hunger? At face value, GM foods have several benefits, but with anything, there's always issues. What are high-risk crops, and what does that matter? How does the consumption of a product genetically engineered differ from that is naturally grown? The Farmers Legal Action Group in 2001 published an article written by Moeller, a staff attorney, reported that currently in the United States we know of at least 9 specific class action lawsuits regarding the use of genetically grown food. Aventis Corp Science has been named in a suit regarding genetically grown corn, which was sold in many Taco Bell locations. And although there have been some settlements regarding the suit, they are still arguing over how and where to house the contaminated product. Although this process it is our desire to provide you as a customer current reliable information that will assist you with the opportunity to make an informative decision regarding GMOs and your health. Where do you stand, and what is your right? These are decisions that we as individuals will make based on solid information. With responsible research and a non-biased attitude, we intend to explain what GMO is, their benefits, as well as the negative facts regarding their use. Now, at this point, I'd like to turn over the subject matter to my associate.